Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. The Solana chart is currently in a correction. As you can see, we're currently dealing with a pullback. The market is moving down in this corrective price channel that I'm labeling as wave 4. The idea was that wave 4 should stretch a little lower, and also longer in duration. That all has to do with the proportions between waves 2 and 4. Normally we see wave 2 has roughly the same length duration wise as a wave 4, and we could be in this sideways correction right now in this wave 4. I mean, it's not really a sideways correction, but wave 2 was here, ended in September, and the wave 4 to really have the same duration. I think we talk about like the 24th, 25th of December. Can always go a little longer, you know. This is not exact. It's not an exact prediction. It's more like a let's say it's more like for orientation, right? So the idea is also the support area still offers more downside opportunity, okay, or at least there's more space in that support area, also in the trend channel, even though we are approaching now the lower boundary line of that white ascending price channel. And there is some support probably around $196. That's the 38.2 retracement of the last rally. And there's also the trend channel lower boundary line that we can observe for possible support. But for now, there's no evidence that this correction is over. Price is now in support, could easily turn around and start the rally directly, but looks like we need a little bit more downside. I think a few more downside adjustments are needed before I really watch for a reversal. So far, the price is following the idea that this wave 4 should stretch a little lower. That was the idea. Even though I wanted to see a bit more of a B wave bounce in there, but that's fine. The idea was the wave 4 is likely not finished yet. So at the moment, this is all okay. Okay, this is all okay. And the idea is that Solana is in an internal wave 4. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here you can see the microstructure. The price is moving in this descending price channel. We're likely moving in an ABC structure. So the idea is after this third wave topped in November, this is an A wave down. The B wave is possibly a triangle, even though there are other interpretations that are possible and valid, but possible this was an A wave. Now we are in the B wave, which is an A, B, C, D, E, sideways. That was a consolidation. And now we're moving down in the C wave, and that C wave might need a few more downside adjustments. The 100% extension target, which is the first target for such a C wave, is located at $185.59. Now that doesn't mean, you know, it doesn't mean this is the maximum or minimum or what, you know, it's just an ideal target. Below that we've got 176, 171, 162 as the next ideal targets for this move down in this in this C wave, right? This is an ideal target. This blue box. Not reached yet. Do we have to reach it? No, I would first watch for support at the $196 level, which is the 38.2 retracement and the lower boundary line of the channel. If we zoom in a little bit, there are two pathways on the micro level that I see, already communicated earlier today on Discord. The idea was possibly here either more directly another move down in wave 5, then with potential for a reversal, or this is just, well, this could be all of wave 4, or we just get another BC. So A, B, C, and the wave 4 would then sit here, which kind of makes sense. Then it would obviously not be circle C, but it would be like a WXY structure. I don't want to make it more complicated than it already is, but these are the two pathways. What it just means is that after the next low, I'm going to watch for a bounce. Same for Bitcoin. I mean, even if Bitcoin makes another low, we have a 5-wave move down that should at least get a corrective bounce to the upside before going down lower. And same here. So we have then 5 waves down. Now that could complete something in wave 4 and we get a reversal. But if the reversal is only a corrective bounce, we need to prepare for another low, probably into that blue target zone. So for now, short term, more downside, yes. I mentioned yesterday the price would need to break minimally around above $220 or $219 to indicate a low is in. Well, that's not happened. So it's very likely we get here this one more low at least. Yeah. That's what I'm tracking at the moment. This could be an area of support, especially the 38.2 retracement and the lower boundary of the trend channel. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.